Katira, also known as tragacanth gum, is a natural gum obtained from the sap of the astragalus plant. It is widely used in traditional medicine and, as a natural remedy, here are some of its benefits. 1. Cooling agent. Helps in reducing body heat, making it beneficial during hot summers. Commonly used in refreshing drinks like sherbet to cool the body. 2. Digestive health. Acts as a natural laxative, aiding in relieving constipation. Soothes the digestive tract and improves bowel movements. 3. Skin care. Used in face masks and cosmetic products for skin hydration and tightening. Helps in reducing fine lines and rejuvenating skin. 4. Weight management. Its soluble fiber content makes you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight loss. 5. Bone and joint health. Can be beneficial for joint pain and inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Immunity booster. Regular consumption is believed to enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. 7. Respiratory relief. Sometimes used in remedies for respiratory issues like cough and sore throat. 8. Enhancing libido. Traditionally considered a natural aphrodisiac, especially for men. 9. Postpartum recovery. Commonly given to women post-delivery for quicker recovery and strength building. 10. Blood pressure regulation. May help in managing hypertension by improving blood circulation. Usage tips. Soak it in water overnight to turn it into a jelly-like substance before consumption. Add it to drinks, desserts, or mix it with water and honey for various benefits. It sounds like you're interested in a refreshing and potentially healthy beverage. Combining Gond Katira chia seeds, often referred to as chia seeds, and Pudina mint juice, creates a drink that's popular especially in warmer climates. Here's a breakdown of what these ingredients offer and how they're often used. Gond Katira tragacanth gum. This is a natural gum obtained from the sap of several species of astragalus plants. It has cooling properties, making it a popular ingredient in summer drinks. When soaked in water, it swells and becomes a gelatinous substance. Benefits. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Like Gond Katira, they swell when drinks. Common uses. These ingredients are often combined to create refreshing summer drinks that help cool the body and provide hydration. They are sometimes used in traditional remedies for digestive issues and heat stroke. The combination of these ingredients creates a very healthy drink. When preparing this type of drink, it's typical to soak the Gond Katira and chia seeds. Conditions. Gond Katira tragacanth gum and chia seeds, sabja seeds, or basil seeds juice with mint is a refreshing and nutritious drink, especially popular for its cooling properties. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients. Gond Katira tragacanth gum, 1 tablespoon soaked overnight in water. Chia seeds, basil seeds, 1 tablespoon, soaked in water for 15-20 minutes. Mint leaves, a handful fresh and crushed. Lemon juice, 1-2 tablespoons, optional for extra freshness. Sugar candy, honey, or sugar to taste, optional. Cold water, 2 cups. Ice cubes as needed. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Soak Gond Katira overnight in water. It. In a large glass, add soaked Gond Katira and soaked chia seeds. Add crushed mint leaves and mix well. Pour in cold water and stir. Add honey or sugar if desired and mix again. Squeeze lemon juice for a tangy flavor, optional. Benefits. Digestive aid. Chia seeds promote digestion and have antioxidants. Energy booster. Gond Katira is known for providing natural energy. Would you like me to suggest some creative twists on this drink? It is important to note, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new ingredients into your diet. I hope this information is helpful. To watch more healthy videos like this, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.